In today's video, I show you guys how to create a professional logo animation using AI in under 1 minute, completely free. Check my video description for the site link. Site continue with Google. Once you are in this site, go to templates on the left side, and now in set type intro video, search it and select the template you like. I'm going with this. Select the customize template option. Customize the templates like you want. After all customization done, select the download option. Select the download option again. Your intro has been ready, guys, and now you can use it on your YouTube video. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.